Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Inshallah, in today's session, we will learn two letters, Qaf and Kaf. They are articulated from almost the same articulation point, but they are different from each other. These letters are articulated from the deepest part of the tongue and what lies opposite to it. Let's start with the letter Qaf. It's the roof of the mouth, which is parallel to the tongue. It's hard from the back of the teeth all the way deep in the mouth. It's called the hard palate. Now, where the hard palate ends, soft palate starts. It's the two soft dangling things, stuff that you see when you open your mouth wide. They're attached to the roof of the mouth. Now, you want your deepest part of the tongue to touch this part. Reader's tongue go back to, and you push it backwards and elevate it. No part of the tongue touches the hard palate. Qaf is a heavy letter. When the reader elevates and raises the tongue, it gives the heavy effect to the sound. Qaf sounds with vowels are qa, qi, qu. When letter Qaf is sakin, we bounce on it. Yani we do the qalqala on it. In the previous session, this has been discussed in detail. Here, just a quick recap. Without changing the articulation point, sound gets blocked. If we don't bounce the sound, it doesn't get out. Like and we have to release the sound. And that is the qalqala. And here it is not considered as read as, for example, in the word falaq. But what we have to do then is falaq. Now, sounds of different vowels with the letter Qaf. قالوا يقيمون قلوبهم رزقناهم. That's when it's sakin with the qalqala, right? Now, moving on to the letter Kaf, we are using the same deepest part of the tongue, but this time it's touching the hard palate. Where the hard palate meet the soft palate, that's where this letter is pronounced. It's a little below than the articulation point of the letter Qaf towards the mouth. It's a very light, soft letter. Ka, ki, ku. This letter, when pronounced sakin, has a characteristic whisper or hums in Arabic. The reasoning is the same for doing the whisper as of the bouncing. Reader hears the breath when the reading sakin. Whenever the letter Kaf is pronounced, don't pause or break the word. Maintain the flow of the recitation. For example, bukmun. And with the different vowels, it is tarakahum ilal kitabi kulli. And that's the end of the today's session. Jazakumullahu khairan.